Hello everyone, let's learn how to appear offline on Instagram, that others can't see you are on Instagram. In this short tutorial I will show you how to hide your activity status on Instagram. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. First go on your Instagram app. Then tap on this little icon of your profile in bottom right corner. After that go on this 3 lines in top right corner. Then tap on Settings. The next step is to go on Privacy. And scroll down to find Activity Status, and when you find it, go on that. Now when this options enable your activity status is public, when someone go on chat with you, he can see if you are active on Instagram or not. Now you need to disable this option. Just click on this, and you are disable this options, and you are finished. Thanks for watching this video. If this video like you, leave like and subscribe for new one. Goodbye.